one present you get to open for Christmas. Merry Christmas!
Pickles? Yuck! Put that away from me. I don't want no pickles. No, not that.
Wow!
No broccoli. No broccoli. No broccoli! What is it?
Toothpaste.
What are these?
Deodorant.
What's deodorant?
Keeps your armpits smelling good.
She's gonna get hair.
Are you happy? Do you like your Christmas present?
What? What is it? Well, why'd you throw it on the floor?
It's a Barbie. You broke my heart.
Still, Santa said.
It's from Santa, huh? It's from Santa.
Santa's fault.
Next time you write to Santa.
If you want to open it, go ahead. Hopefully they got it right. They screwed it up? It's supposed to be Hester.
What's the matter? Oh, so Boo Boo Bears told Daddy what you think of it.
It sucks. Soup.
Yeah, I know how much you like soup.
No. No. What is this?
It's a sponge.
I want a car.
A car, yeah. Maybe on Christmas Day Santa will bring you a car.
Oh, what's the matter? Don't you like broccoli?
It is so funny.
What is it?
Really, taco seasoning.
Yeah, don't you like tacos?
I'm only 6, I can't make it.
Yeah, you can.
Ugh.
Hold it open so I can see it. Hold it up. Oh, it's a 3DS. And
You got a 3DS.
a Mr. Potato Head. That's what you wanted for Christmas.
No, a 3DS game. This is the food that we get used up today. It's so weird that you give us no more. I'm going to just throw this away.
That's what you wanted, Sean.
What'd you get, Charlie?
I don't like this. Oh,
What is it?
an old banana.
An old banana? Isn't that exciting?
No.
What are you doing?
Pushing it.
Oh, okay.
Wow. A battery and an onion. What's wrong?
I don't want onion.
Did you smell your onion? Here, smell it.
Oh, I smelled it. Egg.
Open it.
A hot dog.
What is that?
I got a girl activity book with stickers. I'm not a girl. I'm not a boy. I'm not a boy either. The worst present ever. What is this?
Marissa, what do you tell me all the time about my cooking?
I love it.
You love my cooking, so I made you something.
Then why is it like? Why is it you know really sandwich stuff like that? You should appreciate her getting us a present, but I didn't know it would be like that. Yes, a sandwich of mine. I love your cooking when you cook like dinners, like Hot Pockets or pasta or
So you don't want that peanut butter and jelly sandwich?
I'll